Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? Today we will discuss about a quick guide to Amazon marketing strategies. Amazon marketing strategies. If you have a business selling products on Amazon, you are one of 9.5 million Amazon sellers worldwide based on marketplace plus research sound doubting doesn't doesn't it does not it Amazon is considered one of the biggest e-commerce platform globally, selling in 16 countries with over 12 million products and services. Unsponsorship. Some say a marketplace is oversaturated and too competitive to clerk. A Amazon agency may tell you otherwise. According to a 2022 State of the Amazon Seller Report complete by Jungle Scout, the average new Amazon seller stand to make between $26,000 to 8 lakh $10,000 in annual revenue. Deposit. By being a competitive platform, there is no denying it has a significant global customer base. In fact, over 55% of shoppers start their online journey on Amazon, and 90% use Amazon to compare product prices across various stores. With over 300 million active users, business owners could be missing out on a valuable market. Therefore, with the right marketing strategies, it stands to be a luc- lucrative opportunity. This article will highlight some of the crucial element of an excellent Amazon marketing strategy and what to consider to increase your store's success. The foundation of Amazon marketing. Amazon marketing is circle to making your business a success on the platform. The basis of marketing an Amazon brand is to increase ranking in search results, conversion, and sales. Amazon marketing channels are split into two categories: internal and external marketing. Internal Amazon marketing involves Amazon PPC and SEO implementation. In comparison, external method include utilizing other techniques outside of Amazon like PPC, advertising, social media, Amazon affiliate services, blog, website, etc., and email campaign. As you can see, external marketing techniques are a field all of their own, and thus we will only focus on internal strategies in these articles. Seller strategies to ace internal Amazon marketing. The best marketing strategies utilize a range of methods to improve how a search engine views your website, or in this case product listing. Below we dive into the most important aspect of any Amazon marketing strategy: SEO and PPC. Amazon SEO, search engine optimization, or SEO, is the practice of setting up your website with the search engine in mind. The search engine assesses with websites provide the best information based on your search query. Suppose you are optimizing an website for Google. In this case, an expert would optimize your page for Google ranking category criteria, so it's shown as an author- authorities score and higher in search results. It typically does this by looking at the following: domain authority, high quality information, excellent imagery, clear, concise, of compelling copy, relevant keyword, optimized page. While Amazon is known as a global e-commerce platform, it is in fact a search engine that shows the best, most relevant product at the top of the customer search result. Its A9 algorithm evaluates product listing to ensure they are ranking appropriately to rank in Amazon search engine results page. You must follow a similar process to ranking with Google. However, instead of optimizing your website, the focus is on making your product listing search friendly. So guys, thanks my watching YouTube channel videos.